Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Sportsgrounds close for summer maintenance. Canberra Citynews. Most ACT government irrigated sports grounds will be closed for the biannual 2-week maintenance period from tomorrow, Tuesday, to Monday, September 30th to prepare fields for the summer sports season. This work is essential to help maintain the 129 sports grounds that are used year-round for various sporting groups. Before the summer and winter sports seasons, work on the fields is done to prepare for the next sporting period, Director of Sport and Recreation Facilities, Mr Halpin said. Maintenance work will include removing goalposts, top dressing, upgrading the turf as well as fertilising grass. To provide some sports with an opportunity to prepare and train ahead of the summer sports season, some grounds will remain open during the 2-week period. This approach of keeping some grounds open has proven to work well for the sporting community and helped to avoid any impacts to training activity players may do ahead of the season, Mr Halpin said. Maintenance work has commenced at some sports grounds already. Other grounds that still require maintenance will close at a later date that suits the various sporting groups, Mr Halpin said. A list of the 19 fields that will remain open for bookings during the traditional maintenance period is below. Synthetic fields are not affected during this period and will remain open. Sporting groups planning on using the grounds listed below between September the 17th to the 30th will need to liaise with their sport peak body who will make the necessary arrangements with the government.